Yung motion na kapending doon, it's actually an appeal on jurisdiction. Their application for jurisdiction was denied by the Provincial Chamber, and now it is being heard by the Appeals Chamber. So yun po ang inihintay natin na resolution na manggagaling sa ICC. The latest of which is, if I recall, both parties or all parties have already submitted their comments or their brief, we call it appeal brief, on the issue of jurisdiction. Pero lately, yung appeals chamber ay nagpalabas ng order na kung pwede dagdagan pa yung mga komento o argumento ng mga partidos patungkol sa issue ng jurisdiction. So mukhang matindi yung pag-aaral ng ICC patungkol dito. If I may just probably make an opinion na kung if that will be denied, then trial will proceed. But if that will be granted, then obviously there is no case to be heard before the ICC. At makakalaya na ang dating Pangulo at makakauwi na sa Pilipinas kung the issue of jurisdiction will be granted. The lack of jurisdiction will be granted as prayed for by the former president.
Opo. So yung issue po ng pagpapalabas kay attorney kay dati Pangulo Rodrigo Duterte, attorney nung una, 'di ba binasura po yung kanyang apela noon